Unlock the power of AI in math education. ChatGPT's interactive learning approach. Ever felt like math problems are just puzzles waiting to be solved, but you can't find the missing piece? Well, you're not alone, and we've got the perfect solution for you. 1. Understanding the basics. First up, let's talk about getting to grips with the fundamentals. ChatGPT can simplify complex math concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand explanations. Example. Imagine asking ChatGPT, explain the concept of Pythagoras' theorem. Outcome. A student-friendly explanation, possibly accompanied by a real-world example, like measuring the length of a ladder leaning against a wall, which solidifies understanding. 2. Step-by-step problem solving. Next, we delve into solving math problems together. ChatGPT can guide students through problems step by step, ensuring they grasp each part of the process. Example. Input. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0 and explain the steps. Outcome. ChatGPT would not only provide the solution, x equals 2 or 3, but also explain each step, from setting up the equation to factoring, making the solving process a learning experience. 3. Practice makes perfect. Finally, practice is key to mastering math, and ChatGPT can generate custom practice problems to reinforce learning. Example. If you request ChatGPT, generate 3 practice problems related to linear equations. Outcome. It would yield a set of unique problems, each designed to challenge and enhance understanding, tailored to the student's learning pace. Before we wrap up, remember, ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's a companion in the journey of learning. It's here to make math more accessible and less daunting for students everywhere. If you found this insight helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to ChatGPT Innovators for more exciting content on the transformative power of AI in education.